Okay, good morning, K3. Okay, Ratana, good morning, Ratana.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. Oh, Sarah left. And good morning, Satiret. Okay, what is that? Okay, you draw something. Okay, that's nice. So yesterday, you had your I and G, A and G, and O and G. And those are the that is the sound of NG. And okay? Yeah.
When I studied with teachers, right? I studied at NG and NK.
Yeah, NG and NK. But NG sounds as that is NG. Yeah. Like you are riding on a motor. Okay, bang. Like that. Okay? That is, yes? Okay. That is the sound of NG. Yeah. Okay. And we can add vowels on NG to make it a word like a. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, if you can see here, we have looked at the letter A. So the letter A sound is a and ang. Okay? And, okay, and this is bang. Yes? Okay, how about the I? What is the sound of I again? What is the sound of I? Do you remember? Okay, ing, that is I-N-G, ing. But the sound of I is E. E. E plus ing. Very good, K3. A, look at this one. A, letter A sounds as a, ang. Okay. E, ing. Okay. E, This is ang, ing. Morakot, repeat after teacher. Okay. Ang. Okay. E. Ing. Bang. King. Very good, Morakot dear. How about Sitirat? Sitirat, can we sound these letters together? A. Ang. Okay. Ang. Okay, the next one. E. Okay, ing. Okay, the word is bang and king. Okay, next, Mungkul dear, let's sound the letters together. Ang. Okay, bang. Very good. Next one, E. Again, E. E. Ing. King. King.
King.
Very good. Next, where is Sarah? Oh. Sarah, dear, can you repeat after teacher Sarah? Sarah, Okay, we'll go back to you later. You have a slow internet connection. How about Ratana? Ratana is not here. Okay, everybody, let's have the bang. How do we spell bang? Do you remember?
B-A-N-G.
Okay, B-A-N-G, bang, B-A-N-G, bang, okay? How about king? How do we spell king? King.
K-I-N-G.
Very good, Mungkul. King spelled as K-I-N-G. And now let's move on to the next word. We are done with our ang, ing, and the next one is ong. Okay, ong.
Oh.
Okay, next is ong, and that is aw. This is letter O. This is letter O, and this is aw. The sound is aw. Ong. Okay, aw. Ong. And long. Okay. Cool. Morakot, Sarah.
That.
We are on our. Why is it Morakot? Your camera is closed. Same with Setiret and Mungkul. Why? So why is it all of you? Your cameras are closed. What went wrong? Okay, so again, we have the ong. It's aw and ong. Long. Okay, this is long. If you can see, we have letter O here instead of I or A. We have letter O, ong. Okay, everybody repeat after teacher, long.
Long.
Okay, and how do we spell long? How do we spell long?
L-O-N-G.
Okay, very good. How about Morakot? Spell long. Morakot? Can you spell? Morakot, can you spell long? Morakot, dear? Can you spell long? Can you spell long?
O-G-U.
L-O-N-G. Okay.
And G.
Remember, L-O-N-G is long.
L-O-G.
Like this one. This is long. Can you see? And if I make this one too small, it is short. This is short, right? Short. This is short one. And this is long. Okay? This is an example of long K3, and long has an ending sound of Okay? So next one, we will move on to your A and your NK. Okay? Ank. Okay, everybody repeat after teacher. Ank. Okay, ank. Okay, bank. Okay, how do we spell bank? How do we spell bank?
B-A-N-K.
Very good. That is the correct spelling of bank. We have B B-A-N-K. How about if I write this one? What word is this?
Who is that?
Oh, that's Morakot, I guess. Okay, if I write B-A-N-G, what is B-A-N-G? Do you remember what word is that one?
B-A-N-G.
What word is it?
Bang.
Bang. Very good, Mungkol. This is bang. I mean, wait. This is bang, and this is bank. Okay, bang.
Go
Bang.
by teacher. Bang.
Got.
Bang.
Okay, so we have the bank and the gone. The next one. Elisa is not sure what went wrong. The next one is letter I and letter NK. Ink. Ink. E.
Look at
Ink. Everybody repeat after teacher. Ink. Okay. Pink. This is color pink. And how do we spell pink? How do we spell pink? That is your P-I-N-K. Everybody, Mungkul, Morakot, Sitiret, Murutana, Eliza, and Sarah. Repeat after teacher. Ink. Okay, pink.
Pink.
Okay, very good. Okay, okay, P-I-N-K is pink. The next one, U and the N-K. What is the sound of U? Off. This is off. Ah, onk. Everybody, onk. Again, onk. Okay, this is donk. Okay, donk. Everybody repeat after donk. Okay, Eliza, repeat after teacher Eliza. Donk. Pink.
Pink.
Okay, very good. Mungkul, pink.
Pink.
Donk.
Dog.
Okay, Sarah. Pink.
Pink.
Donk.
Dog.
Okay. How about Morakot? Pink.
Dog.
Donk.
Dog.
Very good. The next one. Okay. Yes.
Shower.
Morakot doesn't take shower yet. Okay, so again, K3, who can tell me what word is this?
Bang.
Again, what is this?
Bang.
Bang. How about Eliza? What word is this one?
Bang. Bang.
How about Sarah and Sarah? What word is this?
Bang.
Okay, bang. The second one is, what is this one? King. And how do we spell the king?
King.
How do we spell
K-I-N-G.
Very good, Mungkul and Morakot. K-I-N-G. How about this one? What is this? What is this, K3? Yes? Long. Very good, Morakot. Long. How do we spell long? How do we spell long? Okay, L-O-N-G. Very good. How about the red here? What went wrong? Okay, how about this one? Beacon. our money in this? What is this? What is it this? This is a bank. Okay, B-A-N-K is a bank. Everybody repeat after teacher. Bank. Okay, bank. Next one is, what color is this one? Pink. Yes, you got it right. How about this one? Okay, P-I-N-K is pink. How about this one? What is this? Yeah, there is a ball, but wow, what word is this one? This is dunk. Everybody, dunk. Okay, if you play basketball, you can dunk on the net. This is what we call K3. Repeat after teacher. Dunk. Okay, Lisa, can you repeat after teacher, Lisa? Dunk. Again, dunk. Okay, how about Sarah? Repeat after teacher. Dunk. Sarah, dear. Can you hear me, Sarah? Mungkul, repeat after teacher. Dunk. Again. Okay, you can go. How about Morakot? What is this one? Again, dunk. Letter D, the, not ba, okay? Dunk. Okay, very good. Next one, Eliza, dear. Where is Eliza? Where are you, Eliza? What is this, Eliza? It's a dunk. Okay, very good. Okay, K3, listen to teacher first. I will call a name and that name will answer or identify or read the following words. All of you will be quiet, okay? The first one is Morakot. What is this? How about this one? How about this one? Okay, how about this? And? Where do you put your money? Where do you put your money? It's in the bank. Okay, how about this one? Color. What color is this one? Pink. How about this one? Yep, P-I-N-K, right? How about this one, Morakot? This is dunk.
Thank you.
Morakot, dear, dunk. Yeah, that is dunk. How about Sitiret? Sitiret, what word is this one? Bang. Again, bang. Letter P. Bang. How about this one? Sitiret? This is a king. Okay. This is a king K3. Okay, how about okay, how about this one set red? Can you see the next picture? Can you see set red? This is a okay. King. And how about this one? Set red here. Can you tell teacher what is this? It's store your money in the bank. This is bank. And what color is this, City Red? Is it blue? It's pink. Okay. And the last one is dunk. Dunk. Again, Ratana, repeat after teacher. Dunk. Okay, Ratana, can you identify these words? Okay, what is the first one? Ratana is bang. Okay, this is a king. This is a boy. King. And this one is what is this? Long. Okay, long. Remember long. And the next one is what is this? Bank. Yeah, you stole. You was not stole, but you kept your money in the bank. Okay, bank. And this one is color pink. And this is a, when you play basketball, this is dunk. Again, dunk. Okay. Next, Sarah dear. What is this, Sarah?
Pink.
Again, Sarah dear, this is bang. The second one is
Bang.
oh yeah, bang. How about Sarah dear, this is long. Look at the picture. Sarah, where is Sarah? Eliza, where is Eliza? Eliza. Sarah, I don't know where is he. Eliza, repeat after teacher, Eliza. Bang. King. Long. Bang. King. Dunk. Dunk. Okay, so those are the words that end with NG, NK. Remember, NG, NK, NG, and NK. Okay, everybody. This one.
Do you like pizza?
No, do not write this one on your notebook. Wait, I will just share something.
N-O-N-G.
Okay, if you can see K3, the first words here begins with NG. Second one is NK. Okay, everybody repeat after teacher. Bang. Everybody, Elisa, Ratana, Sitarat, Mukul, Morakot, Sarah, repeat after teacher. Bang.
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 King.
Pink.
Pink. Pink.
Pink.
Long.
Long.
Dunk.
Long.
Okay. Remember K3? NG sounds as king. Okay, and K. Letter K. Bank. Pink. And dunk. Look at these words. Ratana, spell the word pink. How do you spell pink?
P-I-N-G.
Very good, Ratana. How about Morakot? Spell pink. Pink. Morakot, can you spell pink? Where is Morakot? Morakot, dear, can you spell pink? Oh, Morakot and Mungkul is not here. Eliza, spell pink. How about Sitaret? Sitaret, can you spell pink? Sitaret, can you hear me? Okay, how do you spell pink? Okay. Pink. P-I-N-K. Very good. How about Sarah? Can you spell bong? Bang. Bong. Bang. Okay, Sarah. Bang. Okay, we spelled bang as B-A-N-G. How about Morakot? Can you spell long? Long. Morakot? Can you spell long?
I don't know where it belongs.
Long. Where is the letter L? Long.
L-A-O-N-G.
Very good, Morakot. So we have the long, the king, the bang. How about the dunk? Mungkul, can you spell dunk? Dunk. This one is a dunk. This is a dunk here. So it begins with D-U.
B-U-N-K.
Okay, very good. So these are the three words that ends with N-K. Now, K3, get your notebook and write the following words. Yes? Teacher, sir, I ask you to do this. Let me check. I don't know. Wait. Did you make this one yesterday? Let me check. But why is it no one sent? So write this one.
Còn là Thái không? Mà Thái tập là được phao chứ đâu. Nó đã tiếng không á?
Okay, get your notebook and write the following words.
Nông mẹ.
Anh lên hai rồi. Tôi sắp tụng nào mình rồi. Chăm mau cái này làm giờ.
Trồn một.
Các con tôi sắp rồi. Mau cái này là mình sắp các con.
Đi cô chơi rồi. Cô chơi đây rồi.
Mắt chưa cứ đã lên.
Okay, so get your notebooks and then write the following words.
Nó bật qua câu này này.
Okay, we have the bag,
This one.
pink, and the dog. Okay, and then we will... Okay.
Đi thay này chưa? Tập đọc đi bên mặt. Bộ bên tem của vậy
Okay, K3. Pink. Oh yeah, after you finish this one, okay? All of you have a copy of this?
Another
I will send it to the Telegram.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, K3. That's all for today, K3. Goodbye, class. Okay, see you later.